Hello people, this is Rex Valakorum with another video, and today I'm gonna do a video to complement the thread that I wrote today on Twitter. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. That's all we get in California. 10 rounds magazine. Okay, this is the California assault weapon ban. And now, to complement that, what the California legislative did, they are passing a new law. The California Department of Justice just released the first set of proposed ammunition sales and regulations. And basically, California gun owners are now forced to pay up every time they want to purchase a box of ammo, $19, and pass a background check for the first time, and $1 after the first background check. So basically, first time you go into a gun store or an ammunition or a Walmart, you pay $19, and then you pass a background check. Next time you go, you only pay $1, but you still do a background check in order to buy a single box of ammunition. And that applies to everything, to rifle rounds, to pistol rounds, and even to shotgun shells. Okay, you want to go and bust some shells or go hunting birds, then you have to pass a background check and pay the fee in order to buy the ammunition. And let me read to you what this proposal says. One-time ammunition purchases or transfers may be completed using a basic ammunition eligibility check, as authorized by Penal Code Section 3370, Subdivision C. The fee for a basic ammunition eligibility check is $19. B. The ammunition vendor shall collect the ammunition purchases or transfers name, date of birth, current address, gender. Oh, there's going to be a little bit of a problem in California with the gender thing. Hair color, eye color, height, weight, and driver license or other government identification number in the manner described in Penal Code Section 28180, and the telephone number. United States citizenship, status, federal alien registration number or I-94 if applicable. What if it's an illegal alien? I wonder. Are they going to ask all of that? Anyhow, place of birth, alias name, race, and enter this information into the DES website. Point C, the ammunition vendor will provide the purchaser or transferee an ATN. I don't know what ATN is, anyhow, but the ATN is used to monitor the status of the basic ammunition eligibility check through the department CFAR's website. You got it? You go, pay $19. They ask you everything about you. You give them everything, including your telephone number, eye color, height, everything. And then they let you buy a goddamn box of ammo so you can go and bust some clays or punch some holes in the paper. This is California, folks. But anyhow, it's interesting how California legislative and Department of Justice, they are imposing mandatory fees and background checks on law-abiding California gun owners who own, who just want to exercise their Second Amendment rights, while in the same time they are protecting with their sanctuary state law all illegal aliens, whether they are criminals or not, without requiring them to go through the same hassle, without requiring them to pay a poll tax, because basically what they are asking of us right now is not a background check fee, is practically a poll tax, which, by the way, is illegal. Okay. Let's continue about with this new regulation from the DOJ. Point 430, paragraph 4302, standard ammunition eligibility check. Point A, as authorized by Penal Code Section 30730, Subdivision A, E, the fee for a standard ammunition eligibility check is $1, and that's when you go and buy for the second time. Okay, you pay $1. Point B, the ammunition vendor shall collect the purchaser's or transferring name, date of birth, current address, driver license, other government identification number in the manner described in Penal Code Section 28180. Already said, sex, race, and all the rest, telephone number, and enter this information into the DES website. The department shall then instruct the ammunition vendor to approve or reject the purchase or transfer. All right, well, if you want to read the complete document, you can go to the California Attorney General website, where you're going to see it. Is the address is oag.ca.gov, and then you look for the standard ammunition eligibility check. Anyhow, before you're gonna say that, well, I can just go and buy the ammunition out of state. I can cross into Nevada or Arizona, or I can order it by mail, have it delivered to my door. Well, not so fast. Not so fast, guys, because number one, the law already said that all ammunition sales by mail order are still legal, but you cannot take delivery at home. So basically they are imposing out-of-state vendors to ship the ammunition only to authorized ammunition dealers in California or gun stores, where you're gonna go, you're gonna pay the $19 background check fee. You're gonna get your background check done, and on top of that, you're gonna pay the transfer fee, because gun stores and ammunition dealers, they don't work for free. So probably they're going to charge another $20 to $25 to do this service for you. So you're back to square one. If you want to go and buy it from Las Vegas, for example, California Department of Justice is doing this already for years. When they started with the assault weapon ban, I think in 2000, if I'm not wrong, what they're doing, if you say, well, I go there, how are you going to stop all the cars, okay, crossing from Nevada into California? They just cannot search everybody. Well, they don't need to search everybody. Okay, they are doing exactly what they are doing since 2000. They sent plainclothes agents to gun shows and gun stores, and they're keeping them under watch. If they see your car with the California license plate, they radio in to the CHP, and the cops are waiting for you at the state line. If you are saying, I don't give you permission to search my vehicle, they already have your video, okay? They already have your video parked entering a gun store or the gun show, and that's probable cause. So you cannot say, I don't give you permission to search the trunk of my car. Okay, so you're basically screwed. You're basically screwed. You become a felon. So this is it. Don't think about doing it. Don't think about doing it. Anyhow, what I wanted to say to end with, this is for you people who live in free states. This is exactly what it's in store for you if we don't stop illegal immigration. Okay, the first thing on the chopping block, if the Democrats come to power with the help of illegal immigrant votes, is your gun rights. Okay, what's happening in California now, this kind of law, common sense gun law, is going to get passed at the federal level by the next Democrat president and the next Democrat Congress. Okay, and the Democrats, they are counting like here in California. Okay, let's not forget, up until 2000, California was a pretty good state to be a gun owner. Okay, illegal immigration happens uncontrolled. The Democrats, they enlarge their voting base with illegal immigrants, and you're going to say, yes, illegal immigrants, they don't have the right to vote. Bullshit. Of course they don't have the right to vote, but is that stopping them from voting? Of course not. I read, let me see, a study. Okay, they did a poll and they asked illegal immigrants if they vote in elections, and 13% of them, they admit they do. Okay, if 13% admit they vote, okay, they are not afraid to say they vote, imagine how many are not admitting they vote and they still do. Okay, they do it anyway, but they just don't admit it. Another study says that in 2000 and 2010 elections, over 2.8 million illegal aliens voted fraudulently in the US elections. Okay, and they probably over 95% of them voted for Democrats. That was in 2000 and 2008. Now take a wild guess how many voted in 2016 and 2018. All right, and how many are going to vote in 2020? So basically, brothers and sisters, if you want to keep your gun rights, support Trump, build a wall, and stop more illegal aliens entering the country. Otherwise, this is going to come to you. Have a nice day.